Hi guys, it's Tari here from ABI Interiors, and this home behind me is a part of a really fun project called the Two Boxes. It's pretty easy to see why. It's by a family development group here in Raglan, New Zealand. Let's check it out. So as soon as you step in that door, it's just a super warm and inviting palette in here. We've got a strand board floor, and I love this detailing on the cabinetry, just breaking up the white cabinetry with a European plyboard detail. It also helps to soften into these timber panels up here, which are an awesome feature. It just looks like a work of art looking at that kitchen, and there's just so much light pouring in from that soaring void up there. Let's head upstairs. Would you just look at the size of that window? It's just really opening this whole hallway up. We've got the master bedroom off to my right, the second bedroom, and then finally the main bathroom. The custom rattan detailed whitewashed vanity. Doesn't it just look gorgeous against that brass tableware? It's a really simple, light, bright bathroom to complement this coastal home. This project with its warm palette just really feels like home as soon as you step in the front door. It's a great example of how through clever design, a small floor plan really can make a really big impact. Thanks for coming on another house tour with ABI Interiors. See you next time.